A spacious, 4-bedroom home located in the Raleigh County subdivision of Shady Point. This quality home has 3 full baths. 1 on the main floor and 2 on the second floor. The custom kitchen has an open floor plan, hickory, hardwood floors, pantry and stainless steel appliances. There is a breakfast room with a fireplace. There is a bedroom on the first floor. The large master suite is on the second floor. The master bath has a double bowl sink, shower and a jetted tub. There is a first floor bedroom and full bath. This home has high ceilings and walk-in closets. There is an office on the first floor and a formal dining room. The second floor has 3 bedrooms, 2 full bahts and a bonus room. This home is in the Shady Spring School District.